Now that Content at Scale has written our post, it's time to optimize our post. We can do that easily with what's called Optimization Audit Feedback. An optimization audit gives you AI-generated suggestions to guide your human revisions. And why is that important? Because Content at Scale's optimization audit helps you satisfy Google's EEAT guidelines while still prioritizing human-centric content. What is EEAT, John? EEAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. It's Google's content quality assessment guideline. I'm not saying you have to write content in a way that serves Google or that serves some sort of algorithm. You should write in a way that serves your audience. But the EEAT guideline is extremely useful. Again, in Content at Scale, we're using that guideline as a standard while prioritizing human-centric content. So let's click on this post's title to view the post. And we will get started with an optimization audit. Here we see the post itself inside the editor. We also see these SEO tools on the right-hand side. Now, I noticed it scored a little lower than I wanted, 57 out of 100. So if I want to raise that quickly, I can address that with this checklist. I can turn those red X's into green check marks. And I can also do this optimization audit. So let's click this button. It says, please wait, the optimization feedback is generating. The optimization feedback has generated. And now these unchecked boxes are unmet criteria. So this audit gives you an AI-generated suggestion or multiple suggestions to guide your human revisions. The point of this is to blend technology with personal expertise for quick, helpful content optimization. So that you do exactly that. You go through the optimization audit feedback, perform those edits in the content, and check the boxes as you complete them.